What I'm doing is I'm increasing the chicken run into my garden a ways for winter time. And yes, it's a little bit redneck. I cut a little hole in the fence there. Someday we'll have a better coop that I'll build and such. So our sunflower stalks, we've put along the base of the fence. We've done this to kind of help deter sheepdog from digging at the base of the fence. It's not going to stop it, but it is going to help it. This should give them a place to roam. They can start eating the plants that are still there, some of the weeds, but they can start overturning this. And there's just a plethora of worms and all sorts of bugs in there.
What's a plethora?
Plethora comes from the Greek word plethosaurus, and
What's a plesiosaurus?
it's a dinosaur that lives under the ground that the chickens like to eat, I think. Don't ask questions.
I'll go do that.
No. Just take my word for it, okay? And the goal is to also help to nourish and revitalize the soil with chickens. It took all three of us. We finally kind of scared the chickens out into the land that they have been dreaming of. Look at this. She's like, oh, finally fresh grass. Got one of our little banties right here. This is the broody one. You like that? Oh, yeah. Now, I don't know if you're supposed to feed them tomatoes or not. I do.